Before you grab your polisher, here's what you need to know about polishing PPF and clear film the safe way. First, before doing anything, check with the film manufacturer. Some PPFs have self-healing or special coatings that aren't polish friendly. Their guidance should be your starting point. Next, if polishing is allowed, reach for something gentle, like a fine cut polish and pad. This combo lets you clean up light imperfections without compromising the film. Just like automotive paint, PPF has limited top layers. There's only so much material you can remove. So think light touch, not heavy correction. Finally, don't be too aggressive. Too much pressure or the wrong product can permanently damage film, leading to hazing, clarity loss, or even a burn through. And if that happens, you're looking at a full and expensive film replacement. So, can you polish PPF? It all comes down to the technique and caution. Stick to these top tips, work gently, and you'll maintain the clarity and protection of your film without inviting expensive mistakes.